Is Matt, and this will be a video on how to get Make free plan. So make.com, the free plan, you can actually get one. First things first, I do have a link in the video description just below this video. Click that link. Depending on what kind of deals they're running, there may be a deal or a promotion with that particular link. So there's no free trial with make.com, but they do have a kind of free forever free plan. There's no time limit on the free plan, and there's no credit card required, which is pretty cool. So once you click that link, you'll find yourself on this page or a very similar page, depending on how Make change their plans, their pages even over time. You can get more information here, but the main thing you want to do is click one of these free get started buttons. You've got get started free right here. It lights up in a nice purple. We're going to click on that. And now all you need to do is just sign up. So you can sign in with your Google account if you have a Google account or Gmail. They've got Facebook sign in here. They've got GitHub as well, and Apple sign in as well. Or you could go old school and just put your email in there, email and password. So you need work email, full name, password, host and region and country, and you can sign up for free. And that is how you get your free plan with Make. The free plan, as far as the limitations and stuff, it differs. So I won't say it on the video, as they change that all the time. They're not actually saying what they're getting, what they're offering right now with the free plan, but that is how you get your free plan. The offers change all the time. There's a free plan on right now as of the making of this video. Hopefully you found this useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.